কলকাতার পুরনো বাসিন্দাদের মধ্যে তপসিয়া ও টেরিটি বাজারের চিনেপাড়ার বাসিন্দারা অগ্রগণ্য। 5ই জুন ক্যালকাটা বোট ক্লাব অ্যান্ড হোটেল রিসর্টে হয়ে গেল ষষ্ঠ চাইনিজ ড্রাগন বোট ফেস্টিভ্যাল। উপস্থিত ছিলেন কলকাতার কনসুলেট জেনারেল অফ চায়না।
The first question, as you can see, the community. Today's program was organized entirely by the Chinese community in Tangra and Tirati Bazaar. They are very active, they are very fired up, and they have put all their resources behind it. My office is proud to support them every time. So this is the sixth edition of the Dragon Boat Race in Kolkata. Chinese community in town has 2,000 to 3,000 people. The numbers dropped dramatically over the years. That's a pity. But as you can see, we are working very hard to show to the Indian community, to India, that this is a community of hardworking, diligent, and also we are dedicated to build a stronger unity of communities, across communities in Kolkata. And I'm very pleased that we had a big crowd today. It's working very well. According for the second question, that is the question for the Chinese embassy in Delhi. And my office covers 5 states in East India, namely West Bengal, Orissa, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. And all states are very active in strengthening economic ties with East India. I'm dedicated to that. It's working very well, and I hope we do our job well so that our relationship becomes good. I do.
অরিজিৎ ব্যানার্জির রিপোর্ট, কি খবর, কলকাতা।